In this video, we're going to do a multiplication problem, and it'll be a 1-digit by 3-digit number. So this is the start of multiplying a 1-digit by several other digits, right? So bigger than 1, 2, or 3. So this is a way for you to figure out how you can do this. So you can use this model. So we said before that multiplying two numbers is really finding the area of something. So here's the 2, which corresponds to this. And remember your place value. So 141, here's the 100, here's the 40, and here's the 1. So this is the ones place, this is the tens, and this is the hundreds, just like in this number. The ones, the tens, and then the hundreds. So let's go through each step. So step 1 is find the area of each rectangle. And the model shows 2 by 141 broken down into 3 smaller rectangles. So the next step is to multiply the side lengths of each smaller rectangle to find the area. So you would just find the area of this, and then the area of this, and then the area of this. So the side lengths for this, the blue square, it's 4 by 2. We know that this side length is 2 because it's exactly the same as this one. And here as well, we know this side length is 2. So we do 2 times 100, which equals 200. That's for the purple rectangle. Then we do 2 times 4 equals 8. That's for the blue rectangle. And then we do 2 times 1 equals 2 for the pink rectangle. So that's how it looks, right? So we just put in the numbers of the area for each rectangle. Then the last step is add the areas to find the total area of the model. So here we add it up. 200 plus 8 plus 2 equals 282. So the total area of the model is 282 for 2 times 141. So this is a good introduction on how to do multiplication. That's a little bit more complicated, and how to break it down into simple steps. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away, you could just rewatch the video. Also, I have an ebook in the description that you could download and follow along, as well as other related links to my other videos that are related to this topic.